Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you what you could expect from Copa Airlines Business Class Amenity Kit. Please follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So this is Copa's Business Class Amenity Kit from June 2025. So here's the little pouch that it comes in. They have a lot of, recycled material things here. It's the dental kit you got here. Toothbrush in there. Probably some small toothpaste as well. Some actually nice socks there. Some cloud socks. That's actually not bad. Got a mini mouthwash. And you've got some hand lotion. Apple lavender hand lotion, lip balm, almond lip balm, so easy to identify these things, and an eye mask. So pretty basic amenity kit there from Copa, but again with some useful things there. So that is what you can expect from Copa's amenity kit in business class. Now I believe, I was flying Los Angeles to Panama, so I'm sure that San Francisco to Panama and some other long routes, I'm thinking Panama to Sao Paulo or Buenos Aires, also you can get that amenity kit.